Good afternoon, Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. So we have successfully trapped out these girls. There's the cone that I made. I had it blocked up because of the difference in the brick here. I had it blocked up, you know, block here, block there, so we could get a good seal around the entrance. And that's where the cone went in the hive. It took close to 3 months to get them all out of there. We do have the queen. We saw her a couple of weeks ago. And the bees have totally stopped coming out of the funnel. So originally they were only coming in there. They tried to move to that location. The homeowner wanted to block these vents up, and I advised her against that just for the simple fact of mold issues here in eastern North Carolina. So I took some number 7 hardware cloth and cut a strip about that wide, folded it over the end of this wedge and pushed it in there. So now we can still ventilate. We can still ventilate the wall, and we've blocked that off with number 7 cloth now. I went ahead and did that one. The homeowner is going to do the rest of them. So I got my block cut right here to block these girls in. And tonight we're going to take them back to Vanceboro. They're going to relocate from New Bern to Vanceboro. So successfully did a trap out. It definitely takes time and patience. It is what it is. Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.